when you're teaching a passion to somebody, it really can kind of draw across some of the things that they may not really understand a lot better. You sit back and go, okay, well, how did I think of this as a kid, or how did I learn about this? And then kind of put that passion across into teaching that to people. My name is Liam Outram, and I am from Perth in Western Australia, and I'm an RPAS instructor. I started as a private pilot, then decided to go to university to get a degree and combine that into a commercial pilot's licence, which then followed on to flight instructing at Jandakot Airport. My hobbies before this was obviously flying remotely controlled aircraft, so I had an invested interest in this sort of an industry growing up, and obviously then my knowledge and background in aviation kind of meant that naturally to kind of look down this path, and it's obviously a growing industry that I'm happy to be a part of. So you've added roll and forward pitch, which has really got you to where we want you to be, so that's really nice control, well done. I enjoy teaching people that have had no experience whatsoever, and they come to the actual training with little or no knowledge as to what the training is going to be involved, and then after the course they kind of come back saying that they've learnt so much in the course, not only just about drone flying, but just in aviation in general aspect. Working for Aviassist is amazing. They look like they're really moving to the future, and where this industry is kind of going, and always kind of taking that next step to be at the forefront of this industry.